You see, he's still wiggling. I'm glad he doesn't have a head anymore.
It's the best thing I ever did!
Yeah, these things they're poisonous. They're not super poisonous, but, you know, I had to kill them because I don't want them to, look at that. Holy cow. Isn't that funny? Look at them wiggle. So look at that thing. Glad he doesn't have a head on him, otherwise he would be biting me. This is a coral snake, and what they say is red and yellow kills a fellow. So if the yellow and the red touch in the coloring, and this is what I understand, it means it's poisonous. And so I looked this one up because I've run into coral snakes before and I let them go because they kill rattlesnakes. I used to run into them in Northern California. And you kill the rattlers for sure. But anyhow, I didn't want to kill this one, but I didn't want a kid to get, you know, kid or something. So just so damn pretty. You know, it's kind of hard to want to kill them. He's still moving like crazy. Isn't that wild? Jeez. Look at those colors, man. This thing is so pretty. I gotta make sure I gotta go crush that head good and deal with it. Anyway, just wanted to share that. But yeah, that's what they like. They like wood piles like you see back there. They like rock piles like you see back there. And they can turn up in the city, just so you know. So anyways, hey, if you don't have my book, get my book, Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate. Been a bestseller on Amazon, Kindle, and Audible. I've been buying and selling real estate for 41 years. Contractor, but primarily I'm an investor, more than anything. So there you go. See that? He's got his head over here. He's not snapping. His head was actually moving more than his body was earlier. You can go to FlipAnythingUSA.com and you can find I've got a mentorship. Got all kinds of fantastic testimonials. People are making anywhere from $100 grand to a couple $1 million, and that's just in the last couple of years. You don't want to miss out on this opportunities that are in real estate. There is no bad time. I'm telling you right now. Don't wait for what you think is a good time. You got to make sure you have the knowledge. You got to make sure that you buy right, because that's where you get in trouble. Is just being led by dummies. Dummies leading dummies. That's a terrible thing, but it's a real thing.
Hey, yo, stop and listen. Time is on a mission to eliminate all the snake oil and the fake gurus that fake y'all. He'll show you how to build an empire, starting with nothing but a desire. All you really need is a good mentor, not a used car bullshit. With time, you'll learn to crush it. Investing like Warren Buffett. With real estate, you cannot procrastinate. Everyone who hesitates is left at the starting gate. Hey, yo, so don't delay and join today. The mentorship and flip anything. USA, go.
That's it. Just want to share this with you. Again, go to FlipAnythingUSA.com. Please hit that subscribe button. Bye.